Hey, wanna know how to use charging case controls on your CMF by Nothing But Pro 2nd? So, as a first step, we would need to open the Nothing X application and here go to this tab which is named Controls. As a next step, we would need to switch from the earbuds controls to case controls by clicking on this case image. And here as a next step, you can see that we got a lot of actions, but we don't have any selected for the single press, double press, and more. So let's choose them. Let's set on the single press play and pause, on the double press skip forward, triple press let it be skip back. Then we got press and hold, which can be, for example, noise control. And now the last most interesting, which is rotate. And with the help of rotating this dial, we can control the volume. And now let's test it. I'll turn on some song. You can see it's already playing. And let's try to pause it with single tap on the dial. And yes, as you can see, the song has been paused. Now let's try to resume it and then skip forward by double tap. And this is it, this song has been successfully skipped. Now we can go back to the previous song by triple click. And now also with the help of this dial, we can switch between transparency and noise control. Let me show you how it looks. As you can see, currently it's turned off, and if we will try to press and hold, unfortunately, it won't work because the earbuds are not inside my ears, but I have tested it before and yes, it does work. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.